Hi guys, it's me, Sir Marbs. So today I will introduce this React Native. It's a programming language that can help you to create an iOS and Android application. Uh, So first thing you need to do is you need to download the necessary tool in order for you to create a React Native application. So you need to download this Node.js. Go to this website nodejs.org and then download this under the pre-built installer and then install it. So to fast pace this tutorial, let's get started. First thing that you need to do is you go to your command prompt. Go to your command prompt, and in your command prompt, as you can see here, we are now in the user directory. So let's change our directory by going to different folder like documents, cd documents, and then here I can now create our React Native application. So to create that, let's put npx create expo app and then template blank. Give us a fresh start. We instruct our application to have a template blank. Okay, so let's hit enter. Now the next step here is you need to put the name of your app. So we'll call this my first app. Okay, then enter. So while waiting, you can download Vysor. So we will use Vysor in this tutorial so that we can reflect our physical device screen to our laptop monitor. To do that, we will need to open our device, our physical device, and go to build number and enable the developers option. So after doing that, we will now connect our device through the cable. And once your cell phone is detected, it will prompt in your device the allow USB debugging. Let's allow USB debugging. And as you can see, the Vysor or our application is already connected to this Vysor. Let's now play this so that you will see here our screen, physical screen of our device. Yes. As you can see, you have now already displayed our physical device screen. So you need to install first the Expo Go. So kindly go to your Play Store. You will download this Expo Go app. We will use this so that we can test and debug our application. So let's go back now to our command prompt. So as you can see here that our project is ready. As you can see, it's already installed. Now to run our project, you need to go first to our directory file. So if you still remember, the name of our application is my first app. So let's go to my first app. This one. So let's hit enter. Now after locating our directory file, we will open this in our text editor. So in this case, I will use VS Code. To do that, I can state code here, space, and dot, and then enter. Then automatically, the VS Code will load our directory file. So as you can see here, we have our the name of our application, my first app. Okay. Now, inside this VS Code, we can go to the terminal here, the upper left corner. So we can click terminal and then new terminal. Inside this new terminal, we can now start our, or we can now run our application and pair it to our physical device. So let's do that. npm start. So after loading or after starting our application, you will see this QR code. And using this application in our application, so we can now scan this QR code. So let's click scan QR and then scan the QR code. And automatically our application will load here. So after running our application, you will see this in your display. So open up app.js to start working on your app. So congratulations, you are now already installed an application to your physical device. So in order for us to change the text inside this, we can go to app.js as stated here. So double click the app.js. This will be our code. And inside this, you can see um, an HTML-like code and a CSS-like code. So later, I will explain to you on how to use this. So for now, let's try to edit the text inside our application. So let's try congrats. And then Control S to save. And as you can see, automatically your application it's being refreshed. So congratulations, you are now have your application. I suggest if you want to really know how to code or how to set up this application, I will end now the video and you may try it. Thank you for watching.